Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki, also known as Reminisce Naturals, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a conditioning mask. So to start everything, go ahead and grab a blender of your choice. I'm going to fill that up with water, and all of these are rough estimates. I did no measurements at all, and I was inspired by Jazz Marie on YouTube. I was re-inspired by her because I haven't done a DIY mask in so long. But I'm going to start off with aloe powder because I ran out of the aloe leaf. So I opt for the aloe powder because I had that on hand and that offers conditioning properties. And then I went in with slippery elm root, and that provides slip and aids in detangling. But the form I used it in, I don't think it really did that. I think you have to heat it up and boil it on the stove in order to get those conditioning properties. So I didn't feel that much of that detangling benefits or properties in the slippery elm root. And then I'm just going to go in with a pretty ripe avocado that was pretty old. And avocados are rich in fatty acid, and it offers moisturizing properties and provides strength to the strands, and it also adds shine. And it looks watery at first, but the avocado thickens it up. And this is the consistency we're working with right now. Okay, and then we're going to go in with Jamaican black castor oil. This oil is a sealant and it promotes hair growth. It helps seals the ends. And then I'm just going to go in with sunflower oil. Sunflower oil offers conditioning properties. It softens and it's moisturizing and it prevents breakage. And honey is just going to be my humectant in this little hair mask formulation. And then we're just going to transfer it to a bowl for easier access. Well, in a measuring cup in my case, but do whatever you please. Okay, so we're starting off on old dusty hair. I didn't even wash it yet. This is a pre-wash mask, so I'm just going to grab my black tea. That's my black tea spray. And just spray that all over. And I'm going to work that in my hair and massage my scalp for a minute. Just showing you guys the consistency one more time, and then I'm just going to start applying it to my head. Now, while applying this, I didn't get the benefits that I really wanted from the actual aloe vera plant. I mean, the powder was cool, and I think the powder is more concentrated than the actual plant. I'm not too sure, so don't quote me on that. But yeah, I know aloe vera gel offers so much more slip than the actual powder, but I probably didn't prepare that in the right way either. I probably had to boil it first and then apply it to my hair, and then I probably would have got that mucilage property and slip from the aloe vera powder and the slippery elm root powder. That's how much I had left over. I'm just going to put that in a Ziploc bag and freeze it for later use. Now, the way, if you want to go back and use this, just put it in a hot water bath and it should unthaw. And then I'm just going to put a plastic bag over my hair and leave it on for a minute. Alrighty, this is what my hair is looking like. It was very shiny and it had a little bit of moisturizing property, but it wasn't like wow moisturizing, but it did its job and I could tell that. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one.